Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today's topic is Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's see first, what is Cisco Packet Tracer? Cisco Packet Tracer is a network simulation tool. The main purpose is to help students learn the principle of network with hands-on experience as well as develop Cisco technology specific skill. This is the system software, and this software developed by Cisco company, and the platform it works Microsoft Windows, Android, iOS and Mac OS. This is the result you get when you search about the Cisco Packet Tracer. If you want to know more details, you can use Wikipedia, this page, and understand and get an idea about what is this Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's see how to download and install this Cisco Packet Tracer. First, search download free Cisco Packet Tracer. And you can see here at the Network Academy, they suggest Cisco Packet Tracer Network Simulation 2. You can click on it and it will redirect to this page. And you can scroll down. And these are the suggestions and the things about the Cisco Packet Tracer. And you can use this website and get idea about what is this Cisco Packet Tracer. Also, there's a video. You can watch it and see how it works and more things about this Cisco Packet Tracer. And for the next step, you have to select Getting Started with the Cisco Packet Tracer and click here View Course. And then you have to click Skill for All. Wait until page load and you will redirect to this page, and it called as a login page. So you need to select your language as English, and if you want you can scroll down and see what are the things in this page, and you have to click Get Started. When you click Get Started, they will ask to fill this form, and if you never created account before, you have to click here under the Don't Have an Account and sign up. And if you have an account, you have to give your email and password you use for create this Cisco account and login. And if you want, you can tick here Remember Me, and it will help you when you log in next time, and it will remember you, and you don't need to give a login credential again. And then they will give you term and condition, and if you want you can read. If after that you have to read these two sentences. I have read and agreed to term and condition, and I agree to receive future promotion, offers and communication from Skill for All. You don't have to tick the second one, it's not required, but I think you can see the small red color star. It's mean this box have to click. It's when you have to agree with first condition to continue, and you can accept and continue. This is the next page you will get for the installation. And also you can see here the steps we already done. So first time in the course, so the next thing we have to do, download Cisco Packet Tracer. Then click here Download Cisco Packet Tracer, and it will scroll down to this page and you can use this link for download your install. In the resource hub, then you need to select the packet tracer version you need to download, because they suggest for 3 installation packages for Mac OS, Ubuntu and Windows. If you are using Windows computer, you need to click Windows, and you can see on your screen where your browser shows that your file is download, that your installation file download. And if you need more guidance, please follow the Cisco Packet Tracer download and installation instruction. And here the link, you can use this link and download that instruction as well. After your installer download, it will appear like this in your download folder or any folder you select for downloads. And then you need to double click on this icon, and you will ask maybe in some computers to allow this app to make change for your device, and you have to give yes and agree with their agreement and accept, then give next. And the location, it's a default location, C program file, you don't need to change it, and keep it as it is and give next. And the next, and they ask whether you need to create a desktop shortcut or not. If you want, you can tick create a desktop shortcut. I suggest it because it's easier to find your software and application when you create a desktop shortcuts, and give next, and you can start install. So it will start installing process after that, and you have to wait patiently little more time, and it take few seconds to install. After your installation process done, it will show you complete your installation, and you have to give finish. And give yes to next message appear on your computer, and your Windows Defender firewall will ask, this is involved with network, whether we allow to access this tool our computer, and they are block some features. And you don't need public networks such as airport and coffee shops, so click private networks such as home or work, and you can remove tick on these second sentences and allow access. And later you can see these two window, and you have to click skill for all. And it will show you have successfully logged into Cisco Packet Tracer. You may close this tab. It's mean you are already successfully logged into the Cisco Packet Tracer, or create your account in Cisco Packet Tracer, and you have to close this tab. And here the working place you can use. I will show you how to do it in next video. Thank you for watching my channel and my videos, and I really appreciate your help and subscription and like and comments. If you have any problem regarding this software installation process, you can leave comment under comment section. Thank you for watching my video. Let's meet in another video.